Y'all, so I totally forgot to do a greeting and now I'm back home. So I'm gonna try to do Vlogmas, um, the hair salon version, because I don't really vlog at all on my channel and I don't really have anything to vlog, but I figured I can just vlog me working. I don't know. So today is day one. I know I'm not gonna do 25 days because I don't even work for 25 days. Like I don't work every day. I should say intro, not really greeting. But yeah, so I'm gonna upload what I did today and then I'll probably post weekly or every few days. I don't know. We'll see. I've never done this before. So yeah. Good morning. Y'all, I had to try and rush to do my hair because I thought I left early enough, but I low-key didn't. So my client actually ended up coming right when I was finishing my hair. And she just actually wanted her grays colored, only on the edges. So I literally just did the edges all around, and she just wanted some straight back. contacts to wear under a wig. Y'all, I'm so over these masks. I put my retainer back in, so sorry if I'm talking funny. But I'm so over these masks. Can y'all please stay in the house so we can be over this? I am so tired of working in these masks. So I'm gonna try to talk fast because I didn't even press pause on my music, but I got these eyelashes, and they are just too dramatic for me. They don't even look that dramatic like this, but putting them on, I look absolutely ridiculous. So here's where I show you how ridiculous I look. Like, these lashes are just too thick if you don't wear makeup with them. And I just couldn't do it. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I don't even know what I was saying here. I think I was rapping Nicki Minaj. But that is it. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see how long this lasts. And TTYO.